Okay, frontier tree felling, take 2. I guess I should demonstrate. What I have. I got a burned V hand sawn cutback with an axe wedge, pounded in with a stone. Got a rope, cleat it onto a branch, which goes to a pulley. Where is it? And then the rope comes back to a tree that I can then pull on. And over here is the bastard pine. It's a lovely saw. That's gonna love this. Yeah, okay, here goes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Success! The perfect spot left of the oak. Frontier cutting 101. Only took me 3 hours. Observe the carnage. Success of a frontier fell. Good. The harness survived. The equipment will live to... Oh. A little bit of a widowmaker.